This is Gabe from MotoringFile, and we just took a look at the exterior of this car, the brand new Mini Cooper S F66 2025 model. Now let's come and take a look at the interior. And it's in the interior where Mini has really made some changes. As you can see right away, this is a brand new interior that's mimicking the J01 interior that we saw in the recent launch of that car. Front and center, of course, this giant OLED display. This is a really big game changer for anybody who's driven Minis, anybody who lives with them. And we have, of course, gone through this experience ad nauseum. It is truly next generation. But beyond the display, what you have in front of you looks like the J01. So, for instance, we have the textile dash. We have this new air vent design, which is really minimal, but works so well. Here we have this strip of functionality, including a gear lever, very minimal, key to turn the engine on, experiences, volume, and of course you've got your parking brake. Phone right there, cup holder, and then what you don't have, of course, is anything to do with the transmission. This is open space. There's going to be an option to put different compartments here as well, but this is 100% what we see in the J01, down to even the seats, which, believe it or not, are from the Countryman, but look just like the J01. The door cards, the design of even the sunroof, everything is taken from what we see in the Countryman or J01, and we have, the sum of the parts, a new Mini, which is really incredible given the fact this is a platform that is now over 10 years old. But again, what Mini has done is they have really reinvented this car for another generation. We haven't driven it yet, of course, but first glance, it looks really impressive.